Hello, this is Angie, and let's set up your booking form with your packages and brand colors. This is actually very simple once you know where everything goes. The first thing we'll do is scroll down to the Stripe settings and copy the webhook URL. Paste that URL into the field that says deployment URL. This will be the link to your booking form. Now, because this link is long, we want to shorten it so the system can send out a cleaner link. You can use any short link service like Bitly or tinyurl. Once you create a short link, paste that into cell B44 in your settings sheet. Next, let's add your business details. Enter your business name, your email address, and your phone and location. These will all appear on your booking form. Now let's customize the colors so your form matches your brand. Scroll down to the booking form colors section. For primary and secondary colors, I like to use the same color. These colors will show in your package selections, the highlights, and the header and footer of your emails. They also affect the buttons in your booking form. So choose a shade that really matches your brand. For the background gradient, I like to make the start and end colors different. That way you get a nice gradient effect across the page. For example, you can choose a champagne tone at the start and a gold tone at the end for a soft, elegant finish. The button color should usually match your secondary color so everything feels consistent. For the button hover, choose a darker shade or a contrasting color to make it clear when someone is clicking. The selected slot color is the color that appears when a client chooses a package. I usually keep this the same as the primary. For text color, you can pick blue, black, or whatever matches your brand. The success color is green when a booking is confirmed, and the error color is red. Form background is white, and section background is a light gray. Finally, you'll see header and footer font color. Choose something that works with your palette. Don't forget to set the calendar time zone to where you live. For example, mine is set to Madrid time. Now let's go over your packages. You have 8 slots available to display packages on your booking form. These should be your most important packages, the ones you want to promote. For example, wedding day coverage engagement sessions or portrait packages. If a client needs something custom, they can always submit a request. For each package, give it a name, set the hours, and add the price. When you test your booking form, the packages will only show up after you create your 12-month calendar. So make sure you're happy with your package names and prices before publishing, because once the calendar is created, you can't change them. If you only have 4 packages, delete the others, but do not add new rows or rename anything in this section. The system depends on the exact row numbers to work properly. Now let's talk about event types. In your settings sheet, you'll see a section for event types and display names at the bottom. On the booking form, your clients will see the display names listed as choices for event type. The actual event types will flow into the Event Bookings tab under the Event Type column. So make sure the event type names and display names are written in the same order so everything matches correctly. You can add as many event types as you want, like weddings, maternity, family portraits, or corporate sessions. Even if you don't have a package tied to a type, the client can still make a custom request. And that's it for setting up your booking form. We've entered your business info, customized the colors, and added your packages and event types. In the next section, I'll show you how to create the 12-month calendar, and then we'll see how the booking process actually works from the client side. For now, that's all we need to finish the booking form setup.